Hey guys, just wanted to touch base with you today. People are looking for gaming keyboards and mice. Well, I've got a solution for you. Pretty cheap solution, matter of fact. Now, my mouse is a Bluetooth mouse. It doesn't come with a dongle, it just runs off the Bluetooth of your device. It's a Microsoft Sculpt mouse. Love it. It's fairly heavy, but its response time, its reliability, and its structural integrity is awesome. Now for the keyboard, we're looking at an HP BEVXU is the model number, but very low profile keys, and the best part, they're not loud. Very low profile, very thin board, got some weight to it, no flex. I love the keyboard. Guys, if you're looking for some reliable stuff, HP and Microsoft's got you covered. Hit them up today. I'll leave links below.